What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here and Axel from Dad Simply Cooking and Axel Simply Cooking. And we are making lemon cheesecake squares. It's hot. Us in the South, we're in a drought. Apparently, we didn't have enough rain in March and April. And it's hot. It's like 93 degrees today. We're not even in summertime yet. They're anticipating a hotter than average summer, and I'm just not about that life. I figured what sounds really good to bring us from spring into summer, because we're not having a spring here in the South because it's hot. So I figured lemon cheesecake squares sounded amazing. So what we're going to do, this is a simple, easy recipe. We're going to use 1 stick of butter. We're going to slightly melt this. So go ahead and put it in your bowl. Put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Just slightly melt it. A little bit melted, a little bit not, okay? We are going to use a lemon box cake mix. This is perfectly moist.
Really?
Lemon Supreme Cake Mix by Duncan Hines. This is the 15.25 ounce. So we have it slightly melted, slightly not melted, where it's spinning around. We're going to take our cake mix. I'm going to open it. And we're going to pour it on in.
Right into the butter.
Yep.
The whole thing.
Yep. Perfect. Just like that. And then we're going to take 1 egg and mix it on in. Kobe. That's better. And we're just going to go ahead and mix this on up now, just like that. 1 butter, 1 egg. And we're going to coat it and make kind of like a thick dough with it. I got my cake pan, casserole dish, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to spray it. Just like that. All right, so with your melted butter and your 1 egg and your cake batter, you're going to get a dough ball. Look at that. That's a dough ball right there.
Big.
And I'm just going to plop it down. There's a little bit of butter. I'm just going to keep doughing it, kneading it. Keep kneading it. Make sure all that butter is nice and mixed in. Butter.
And show button.
So now, once it's in there, we're just going to press it and cover the entire bottom to where it's even. Work it all the way on out. Kind of like you making a pizza pie.
You got that spot.
I haven't forgot. I just got to rotate it. We got the bottom coated. Just like that.
No, we didn't have to put it in the oven.
Nope. We're not done yet there, boss. You are the boss. Alright. You're thinking, Dad, what's next? Creme chess? We got some creme chess?
Yeah.
Cream of cheese. 1 block of cream cheese. 2 eggs.
Ready?
Yep. Perfect, man.
Goby.
Goby. There you go. Just like that. So I'm going to incorporate it. This cheese, cream cheese, is not heated up. It's cold. Let me get the cream cheese broke down. Alright, so once we get our cream cheese mixture mixed up a little bit and broken down, I got my powdered sugar here. We're going to use 2 cups of powdered sugar. Two cups. And then I'm going to use a little bit of lemon juice. If you have lemon extract, Go ahead and use it.
Sell it. I'm gonna sell it.
I'm gonna use about a teaspoon, tablespoon.
It's probably lemon.
I know. Now, I used to, when growing up, I didn't like lemon things. And then I hit a certain age, and I was just like, hey, lemon's where it's at. You got it? I'm letting you. You gotta move it. No, not high. Not high. Nice and easy. So now we got our cream cheese.
And we already do it.
So let's see if this is going to be enough or if we're going to have to make a little bit more. I think that's going to be just the perfect amount.
We can just do 2 of them. 2 cheese, cream cheese. What's moving? It's moving.
In here, in the oven, 350 for about 45 minutes-ish. And I'll keep you updated. It is done. D-O-N-E. Still a little hot. I let it sit down and chill for a little bit.
Oh, that's cool.
So I want to cut into this because I'm super excited. I've been wanting to make this video for a little while now. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Y'all, this looks fantastic. You can see that clear definition of the lemon to my crust at the bottom. That. And I'm gonna be honest, I like my lemon bars cold. This would be fantastic cold. This is absolutely delicious. I love lemon. It's like a tart lemon. It's not overpowering. It's just like the perfect amount. Recipes linked below, y'all. It's simple. It's easy. Guaranteed to be delicious. Y'all, if you will, do me a huge favor. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell someone you love them. And I'll catch you in the next one.